welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. Sorry, in my previous videos, the intro was extremely loud. Sorry for you headphone users, but I did lower it, so it should be better. Just let me know down in the comments if I should lower it or, increase the volume. I couldn't imagine. I had played it on full volume and I jumped out of my chair. It was so damn loud. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, Bitcoin did have a shitty ass day. So got rejected off this trend line and the 21 EMA. Not looking too hot. Not looking too hot at all. We have a very bullish candle with no wicks. We have 7 hours left in this candle in the daily chart. So this could continue to go down. I mean, we had a false breakout below this 50% Fibonacci level. Now I'm just looking to hold it. That looks like the same thing happened here, and then we held it. And I think we're just getting squeezed in between here. So again, if we do break this 50% Fibonacci level and actually find resistance, we are going to pull back to that $30,000 level. I don't see this trend line holding much support, but so it's not looking good for the Bitcoin time frame. Again, I have this box because this trend line, this line right here, or this price level is the 50% Fibonacci level from this swing high to this swing low. So we need it to come above that and find support before we actually head into that direction. Anyways, if we really look into it, we can see that how much of a pullback was this. This was a pullback all the way from like 30%. Okay, so it's not stupid, but it was still, this is like 50%. It's at 46%. That is not good whatsoever. So the crypto market could be entering a bear market. I'm not super fond about it, but again, it's just accumulation phase. Just keep buying. I could care less. I mean, I'm not buying Bitcoin per se because I don't really believe in Bitcoin. You guys are probably going to come after me at that, but Bitcoin is like, it doesn't have enough utility for me. So that's just how I believe. And I know people are like, just YOLO, buy and hold, hodl. And that's how I play, but just not with Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and zoom out here and see if we can get a better understanding of what's actually happening. So again, the market is so confused. It has no idea what it wants to do. We have 1 day left on this week. Excuse me, guys. But we are forming 3 in doji candles, which is crazy. 3 indecision candles on a support level. So either we are building up to break down or we're building up to go into a reversal. Anything can happen here. See, doji candle. I don't see any other 2 dojis. I don't like, yeah, there's dojis here, but it's not really impactful. It's just kind of moving sideways. And it is for this too, but again, it's after a huge downtrend. And usually the crypto market, it will recover, and it did recover pretty quick on this wick. But again, we really need to figure out what's going on because we could just be settling down on these new price levels, which wouldn't be good. But we also have, again, 30,000, 20,000 price support levels, and it could easily come down that low. Again, we do have this this support zone. I'm going to go ahead and actually move this up just a little bit because this, as this 200 SMA moves up with it, I'm not just basing it off this. I'm basing it like this is a zone. We have 3 touches here, touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. So it's not just based off this 200 SMA. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's see if we can go ahead and, this trend line, not looking too good. We want to break this trend line. I'm going to delete this because we're just going to be following this 21 EMA. Ideally, what I'm really looking at, what I really want to see is actually us pop above and close a candle above this 21 EMA. And that is going to show us a very bullish sign that we could be in an uptrend, but we're going to have multiple more resistance. This is going to act as a strong resistance point at $42,000, $42,600. Then again, that other resistance point that we have And we're gonna have, again, this is another pretty strong one at 50,000. Not as strong, but it's good at 55. Obviously, it's a psychological, and then at 60 psychological, and 65 another psychological resistance. And there's plenty of ways that it can happen. Again, no one knows where the market's going to go. I'm not trying to claim I know where the market's going to go. And most good technical analysis, most for good people, won't try to claim that the market's going to go anywhere. They say that this is a higher probability of happening. They're never guaranteeing it. And most, if you ever see someone like, oh, Bitcoin's going to go to the moon, then they're most likely not a good technical analysis. I'm actually going to name this video that Bitcoin's going to the moon, and just so it gets some views. And if you're watching it for now, it's kind of funny, but it's good clickbait. That's what I should say. But yeah, I mean, there's not really much we can do. So I guess we'll just have to sit and accumulate some Bitcoin and other coins. I'm probably going to start not loading up on all these coins. Could just cut not all of these. I'll have to really sit and think about what I don't want to load up on. I'm definitely going to be loading up on ICP USD. Not right now though. I'm waiting for some price discovery when it starts moving sideways, a potential uptrend. So we will see what happens. I'm actually looking for it. I'm probably going to start buying it if it comes down even lower. I have limit orders at 30. I'm going to buy some at 20. Again, only if it comes that low. I'm not too sure. I have no idea. But that's it for this video. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you guys can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. I'm actually going to show you guys what we were able to do on our scan. So we send these scanners out in our morning newsletter. They're $2,000, but we send them to you guys for free. I have the link down below. Actually, I made a trade on NOVN for a gap of about 43 bucks. Price, our team had this on high watch. So you guys received this at 9, but this screenshot was from 8:32. Our team gets access to these at 7 a.m. NOVN ran up all the way to 1868. So we were able to catch that move all the way to the upside. And that was crazy. And if you want these scanners all for free, it's just the morning newsletter. So hit the link down below. Love y'all. Peace.